The rupiah in referring to rupiah in coins. The rupiah is divided into 100 sen. Although high inflation has rendered all coins and banknotes denominated in sen obsolete. Introduced in 1946 by Indonesian nationalists fighting for independence, the currency replaced a version of the Netherlands Indies gulden, which had been introduced during the Japanese occupation in World War II. In its early years, the rupiah was used in conjunction with other currencies, including a new version of the gulden introduced by the Dutch. The Rio Islands and the Indonesian half of New Guinea had their own variants of the rupiah in the past, but these were subsumed into the national rupiah in 1964 and 1971. Respectively, the Indonesian rupiah is the fourth weakest circulating currency in the world as of May 2021, with $1 United States dollar equaling 14,196.00 rupiah. A long-running proposal to redenominate the rupiah has yet to receive formal legislative consideration. Since 2010, Bank Indonesia, as the monetary authority of Indonesia, has repeatedly urged the elimination of the final 3 zeros of the currency to facilitate transaction handling, saying the move would not affect its value. In 2015, the government submitted a rupiah redenomination bill to the House of Representatives, but it has not yet been deliberated. In 2017, Bank Indonesia Governor Agus Martowardojo reiterated the call, saying that if redenomination started immediately, the process could be complete by 2024 or 2025. The current rupiah consists of coins from 100 rupiah up to 1000 rupiah and banknotes of 1000 rupiah up to 100,000 rupiah, with $1 United States dollar worth 14,300 rupiah. The largest Indonesian banknote is, therefore, worth about 6 United States dollars and 90 cents. Presently, 2 series of coins are in circulation: aluminium, bronze, and nickel coins dated between 1991 and 2010. These come in denominations of 50, 100, 200, 500, and 1000 rupiah. The older series of coins has been gradually disappearing due to the low value and general shortage of small denomination coins. Amounts are commonly rounded up or sweets are received in lieu of the last few rupiah of change in supermarkets and stores. A new series of coins featuring Indonesia's national heroes was issued in 2016 in denominations of 100, 200, 500, and 1000 rupiah. Currently circulating Indonesian banknotes date from 2000, 2005, 2011. Earlier notes are also no longer legal tender, due to the lack of security features and association with the Suharto regime, but could be exchanged in Bank Indonesia offices until the 20th of August 2010. As the smallest current note is worth approximately 0.065 United States dollars. Even small transactions such as bus fares are typically conducted with notes. And the 1000 rupiah coin is far more common than the 1000 rupiah note. The government initially announced that this would change, with a 2000 rupiah note to replace the 1000 rupiah, with that denomination replaced by a coin. After a long delay, this proposal was revised so that the 2000 rupiah banknotes were launched by Bank Indonesia on 9 July 2009, with the banknotes circulating as legal tender from the 10th of July 2009, but without withdrawing the 1000 rupiah note, due to the low value of the notes below 1000 rupiah. Although they are no longer being circulated, some remain in use in increasingly poor condition, as low denomination uang pasar, outside the banking system for use in informal transactions, following the issuance of Presidential Decree No. 31 of 5 September 2016. BI introduced 7 new banknote designs featuring national heroes. During colonial times, the currency used in what is now Indonesia was the Netherlands Indies gulden. The country was invaded in 1942 by Japan, which began printing its own version of the gulden, which remained in use until March 1946. The Netherlands authorities and the Indonesian nationalists, who were fighting for independence, both introduced rival currencies in 1946, with the Dutch printing a new gulden and the Indonesians issuing the first version of the rupiah on 3 October 1946. Between 1946 and 1950, a large number of currencies circulated in Indonesia, with the Japanese gulden still remaining prevalent alongside the two new currencies and various local variants. This situation ended when the federal government, now in complete control following the Dutch recognition of its independence, initiated currency reforms between 1950 and 1951. The rupiah was declared the sole legal currency, with other currencies being exchanged for rupiah at rates which were often unfavorable to the holders. The rupiah has been subject to high inflation for most of its existence. Various attempts have been made to maintain the value of the currency, but all were abandoned. In the period from October 1946 to March 1950, Indonesian currency had no international recognition. Its value was determined on the black market. The exchange rate determined upon independence in 1949 was 3.8 rupiah to 1 United States dollar. Lembaga Alat-Alat Pembayar Luar Negeri.